guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the new Vankyo larger 10-inch tablet. Let's take a look at the box. So here's the front of the box. It tells us the tablet's name, the MatrixPad Z4, and this is in fact an Android tablet. On the back we have all of these special features. So it includes a 10.1 IPS screen technology, front and rear cameras, so if you like taking selfies or you like taking pictures of things, you're all set. It also has quad-core 64-BT CPU, a GMS certified Android operating system. So if you have other Android devices, you're not going to have to worry about changing to a different operating system. And a solid eMMC ROM. Now, in the box, it does include the MatrixPad Z4 itself. I'll show you that in a second. A USB cable, an adapter, user guide, and a quick start guide. So let's open the box right up. Now, what I do know about this tablet is it does have 2 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage. I have an iPad Air and it only has 16 gigabytes. So this is already an upgrade compared to what I already have. So here's the tablet. All right. It's a nice size. It's 10 inches. I'm going to see what this says real fast. Please remove the film on the tablet. Remove the film on the back camera before using. These are just simple steps you would listen to before powering the tablet on and trying to use it. Alright, so I'm going to remove the film. Alright, so let's first see what else is in the box. Okay. So here is the user guide. It's fairly thick. There are lots of details on how to download apps, how to connect your Wi-Fi, all the settings you have, how to control the home screen and Wi-Fi. There's a lot to look for. So I'm sure if you have any problems, if you speak a different language, you're all going to be able to find that in here. Alright, and here is the quick start guide. Just plugging it in, turning it on, and then unlocking it. So that's good. And then it does show a diagram of the buttons on the top. And I'm assuming this is the cord to plug it in. Yes, yes, yes. We have our AC adapter right here. And our USB cord. So I'm going to plug this in before I turn the tablet on. Right, so here's it plugged in. Gonna now find an outlet and get right back to you. Alright, so I just set up the tablet. It was very simple. I followed the quick start guide by plugging it in, making sure it had 100% charge, and then turning the tablet on and going through setting up my Wi-Fi password and connecting a Google account to the device itself. So the on button is on the side here. I'm going to give you a closer look. On the side here, you have your on button and then your volume button. You have dual cameras on this tablet here. You have one on the back and one on the front. Also, your charging port is on the same side as your volume and power on buttons. You just locate it on the side, and you have a port to plug in your headphones of choice. So let's turn it on and get that started. And here we see the on screen. It tells me the time, the date, and I chose not to have a lock screen because I just find that easier when it comes to using my tablet. So let's get on. Getting used to this thing. Already it's a lot better than my current iPad Air I have right now. But here is my main home screen. I haven't downloaded any extra apps of any sort. But I did want to show you, it's basically kind of like a Google Chromebook sort of feel, and all Googled out. I have my Gmail, I have my Chrome, I have my settings, I have my Google Photos, Google Play Store, and all of the other various Google apps. If you swipe up, you see all of your apps that you have. You can see I don't have anything extra. We can go into settings, show you all the possibilities we can do there. You can see the battery, change the display, change your Google accounts, and everything like that. Now, at the bottom, you see there is a bar where you can see stuff, where you can easily access your camera, your volume by increasing it or decreasing it, and then going back or closing apps. So I can close it, swipe it away, and the middle button here at the bottom, the circle, is your home screen. It's a lot easier for me to navigate. I'm not sure if that's just because I'm a pretty decent Android user. I have a Samsung S9 Plus as my phone, and I have other Android devices that I've always used. I haven't been that fond of Apple, but I do use an iPad for occasional use, and I like this a little bit better. Alright, so this does have 1280 by 800 IPS display, so you see a very vivid picture here. I have Claude Monet's water lilies up, but this could come in handy if you're Skyping someone, maybe having a Netflix binge watching session. Yeah. Alright, so to avoid any sort of copyright issues, I'm going to play one of our videos and just show you how nice the screen is. Here is a solar torchlight video we did not that long ago. And as you see, it's a nice, clear, clean picture. Shows you the nice brights, shows you the deep darks. I really like this. I'm really looking forward to watching movies and videos on here. Alright, so I'm going to download a game of sorts and play with my nephew. Alright guys, so I just got us Candy Crush Soda Saga, so let's try it out on this new tablet. Yay! What I do notice immediately is I like how fast the screen responds to when I touch it. Sometimes it might just because I have an older generation of iPad, but it takes a little bit for me to be able to get a response. And this, right away.
Yes. No, it's the end. You have to fill the whole thing up.
I really like how bright and vibrant the screen is. It's very clear too. And it's, like I said, it's being very responsive.
Lillian, let's put some more cool games on here.
Yeah, we're definitely going to, because this has 32 gigabytes of storage. There's a lot of room for a lot of games.
32 is a lot, and it's a big number. Wait, no, let me try. Can we watch videos on here?
Yeah, of course. Let's head to YouTube and pull up a video. Here's one of the YouTube videos we did months ago. I love the clear, crisp green. It gives quality picture and great sound because they're dual speakers.
All the instructions on how to set that up will be found in the instruction manual, and that is where you're going to find any information and answers to any of your questions.
Now, of course, you can download YouTube Kids, so little ones can actually watch appropriate videos at home and have the nice use of this wonderful tablet as well. So I will mention that this does have a microSD slot on the side by the charging port if you want to add about 128 gigabytes of more storage. Gives you room for adding lots of homemade videos, maybe even if you wanted to film with something like this, or keep a lot of pictures on here. What do you think, Lulu? You like it? Alright, so that's a look at the brand new 10-inch tablet from Vankyo. This is the MatrixPad Z4. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and check the description section below for any information. Thanks for watching.